Today we are going to talk about usability testing and the methods you can use about it. Hello everyone, I am Abhay and today we are going to talk about, as designers, what really is usability testing and what are the few methods which we can use around it. So we as designers make application or website or any product based on assumptions, right? So usability testing is a method which is used to conduct tests either in between the design process or at the end once the product has been created. The goal of this testing is to find out that what we have created, does it fulfill the user's need or not. So let's talk about how is the usability testing conducted. The test is conducted by usability experts, that are UX designers or any designer that is making the product, with real users to measure how useful and intuitive the website and app is to use. So, what are the process involved in it? First is the planning process. A test plan and script is drafted to understand what are we going to test and how will we measure the result. Second is recruit. Users have optimal criteria are recruited to get the right insight. That is, the particular amount of users and the particular user which is required is being recruited to perform the test. Then the third step is perform, where the user are shown a design and given tasks and goals to perform. Fourth is observe. Observe is where users' verbal answers and physical cues are observed, recorded, and documented, which can be synthesized later. Now we comes up to the fifth process, that is synthesize. A problem and issue are The problems and issue are identified, distilled, and prioritized. That what are the problems that the user faced in this whole process. Sixth is recommended. Recommended is basically where all the recommended changes are then iterated in the design and the final design comes up. This is the process of testing, and that's how we do the testing. Now, what are the few methods which we use in usability testing? Few methods are which we call as moderated usability testing. The second is remote usability testing. Third is beta testing. Fourth is A/B testing. Fifth is surveys. Sixth is user personas. Seventh is field studies. So these tests are very important because usability testing is the only criteria which tells us about what we make is good or not. I hope this video turns out well. If it does, go in the description and follow me on Instagram, and you can check out my other socials as well. See you in the next one.